Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you set up post finance TWINT. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Post finance TWINT allows you to make secure mobile payments linked directly to your post finance account. So the first is to check the requirements: post finance private account linked to post finance debit card, your Swiss mobile number, and you need to have your smartphone, either you be iOS or Android. Second is to head over to your app store and then simply download the post finance TWINT app by tapping on it and tapping on get button. And then once you're there, all you gotta do is register for your post finance TWINT account by simply tapping on start and then selecting yes, I'm a new post finance TWINT user, and then entering your mobile number. You'll get a code. Simply enter the SMS code to verify your phone number. Now enter your post finance debit card details, enter the last 5 digits of your IBAN number, confirm your details and accept the terms and conditions. For security reasons, post finance will send you an activation code by mail. Once you receive the letter, open the TWINT app and scan the QR code inside the letter. Your account is now activated and linked to your post finance bank account. Choose a PIN code and enable Face ID or fingerprint, and you can send and receive money, pay in store, shop online, pay for parkings and bike tickets and vouchers. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.